In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Microsoft Word template for wire marking. I'm going to start Word, just type in WORD, select Word, select a blank document, and change some default settings. We're going to use Arial, 10 point, bold, center justified. We're going to go to the Layout tab and change the page setup. Here, these are going to be 3/16 inch diameter tubing by 1.5 inch long labels, one line of text. The margins we're going to change to 0, 0, 0, 0. Orientation to landscape. Select the paper tab. The width is going to be the length of the marker, which is 1.5 inches. The height is measurement from left to right of the flattened tubing. In this case, it's 0.30. Under Layout, we're going to change the page alignment to center. We're also going to add a cut line in between markers, so we want to select borders, select the page border, select a line. We're going to put that on the right side of the marker. To get rid of this white space here, we're going to select Options. We're going to select the right side. The default is 24. We're going to change that to 0. We're going to hit OK. Hit OK again. Now, basically, our markers, what you see is what you get. The one last thing we want to do right now is up here in the paragraph. It's set to 0 left, 0 before, 0 right, and 8 points after. That's a default setting. We're going to just change that to 0. When we do that, we're finished. We can go up to File, Save As, select our destination. In this case, on this machine, it's going to be Custom Office Templates. Give it a name, Test, ABC. We're going to change this type to document template, Word template. So right here, we're just going to save that. Now when we open up the template, we can just start typing in our markers. And then we can just go hit print. When we go hit print, file, print, we can see the markers are going to print out. First marker, cut line. Second marker, cut line. Third marker, cut line. Go to print. We're going to want to select the printer that we're using. In this case, on this machine, we're going to select the TSC TTP 323. Now this is the same printer as the CMC 323. Select that. You can look at the printer properties here. We want to just make sure before we print that the property settings are all correct. So we want to select stock. The media settings should be set to thermal transfer. We're using a continuous material. Right now we have it set to cut. No cutting. If we wanted to cut after these 3 items, we could turn the cutter on. So we could go cut. And then here, the occurrence, we don't want each one of those labels cut because we want them printed out in sequence. So we change this to after job. Now we can hit OK, and it should be set to print correctly. The feed offset on the CMC 225 and 323.2 should be set to this 0.10 inches. If you'd like, you can select the options and just make sure that your settings here have it changed. Should be print speed 2 inches per second, print darkness 10. Go OK, OK, and now our markers will print.